Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Puppy Duke saved the baby as he found out in time that something was wrong. It was already dark in the Brousseau family home in Connecticut, and they all had gone to bed. Sunday ended, and we had to rest to gather strength to start a new week. However, something was not right. Duke the dog entered the marriage room and jumped on the bed. Jenna and her husband were stunned, seeing how she was shaking. The situation was extremely bizarre, the woman told Up Social. If Duke hadn't been so scared, we would have fallen asleep, he added. He did not stop shaking, and the couple looked at each other, not understanding the situation, until suddenly everything made sense. Both adults thought the worst. It was at that moment that they ran desperately to the room of their daughter Harper, barely 9 weeks old. Jenna Brousseau brought a dog from the shelter and became strongly attached to it. Dog Duke became an indispensable family member, and in 6 years of staying with the family showed great gratitude and dedication. He was a calm, obedient, loyal, and attentive dog who proved his loyalty even more by the fact that one night a tragedy soon occurred. Duke was lying in the hallway between the bedroom and the children's room. Both the bedroom door and the door of the room where the baby was lying in the cradle were open. He sensed something was going to be wrong as little Harper began to breathe strangely. At that moment, he hurried to the bedroom and started jumping on the girl's bed. He barked and wanted to put them in her room. His strange behavior was not clear to them at first, but they got up and went to look at their daughter. They noticed that she was not breathing and was fighting for her life. Takoj, as it began to revive, and called an ambulance, that girl in time to solve. With the help of her parents, first aid, and later rescuers, she escaped and survived. Most of the credit goes to Duke the puppy. If he hadn't woken his parents that night, the girl might have been dead already. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.